guys, this is Mama Baba Ganoush and I've got a really wonderful episode for you today. I've been invited by a Qatari family to experience a really unique barbecue here in the middle of the desert. We're going to do a traditional lamb machboos on the barbecue and I can't wait to try it. So yalla, let's go and have a look. Khaled.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm alright, thank you. How are you?
Good, good. Everyone, this is Khaled from Khaled Choice. He's a blogger here in Qatar. So Khaled, what are we making today?
So today I'm preparing lamb machboos, which we call it baddawi, بالتيس. When we go out, it's basically men would do all the job. Especially the heavy cooking part. So it's like, you know, it's like a relaxing time for them, and then we do, of course, and we prepare all the good food for them.
So Khaled, what are we doing here?
So we finished the 45 minutes, so we flipped the lamb now.
Okay.
And now we'll start cooking the rice.
What are you doing here, Khaled?
So I always add some tamarind to my desert made machboos.
Okay.
It always gives it like a special taste, and I also add a bit of pickled either pickled lemon or pickled mangoes. So for me, I always like to add the rice first before I add the water. The rice is done already. I don't like the color though. I've added a bit of extra tomato paste, but that's fine. And then the lamb is done.
The lamb is done.
Yeah, so I'm gonna keep it to rest for now until we make our lentil and raisin mix. Onions.
So now you can see we're just starting to wrap up the whole cooking. We're putting some lentils in with the onions, we're heating up the lamb, we're getting everything ready to start eating soon, and I can't wait. It smells so delicious. So Galia is the sous chef today. She's helping Khaled, just preparing the meal, and she's learning all about the food, and one day she'll be cooking for her own family.
So since you are our guest, of course, you will start with the meal. So you get the best.
So I get the best piece.
For Fatma as well. What do you think of today's experience?
I think everything always tastes better on a barbecue. I think it always tastes amazing because you got that beautiful, you know, the smoky flavour going through the meat, and I don't know what it is. I think it's the fresh air and being out in the great outdoors, but I love all those flavours of the spices. What time of the day is the best time to come out, do you think?
So it's always better to come early. So what we usually do is actually we leave around 10 a.m. and then we start our day after the prayer, basically.
Okay. And then just relax and...
Yes, after the cooking, since I did the cooking, now it's my time to relax, basically.
And then everyone should be looking after you, right? And serving you tea and coffee and dessert,
and
right?
Mafrool, yes.
Oh, well, thank you so much. It was awesome today.
You're welcome.
Really,
Thank you for coming.
Really appreciate it, and the hospitality is incredible. It just shows us a bit of a slice of Qatari life and culture, and really feel great. Thank you so much.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm so glad.
Thank you.